Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a vertical line in Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to the left sidebar and click on this arrow here on the second icon. So click on it like this, and you will see here vertical line. As you can see, this one. Click on it just one time, and let's say I want to add it here. Okay, you can add it wherever you want. As you can see, if you want to change its color, make sure you click on it, then click on this pen here, and you can choose any color. So I will choose white, for example. As you can see, if you want to change the thickness, click on it, go to 2 pixels here, and you can choose the 4, for example. As you can see, now it's thicker. If you want to change the type of the line, click on it again, and go to this one, style, and you can choose, for example, dashed line, or you can choose dotted line. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.